Welcome back to Peggy's Pearls. Today I want to tell you about how you can learn more about all the wonderful features in the software and how to customize it. There are several ways to learn more about each feature of our software. One of those is simply when you open up the software, at the top of the page you'll see the word Help. Simply click on Help and you'll see Help Manual. Then a listing will come up of the different features in the software. Now this list is not complete right now, but we're working on it daily to get it complete for you. But it does have many of the features there. So search for the feature that you're wanting to learn more about, such as how to print your jewelry tags with your name and jeweler number on them, or how to use the new calendar that is so awesome. You need to learn how to use the calendar. Just choose a feature and it'll give you step-by-step instructions on how to use that feature. Now we do also on our website have some tutorials. Simply go to houseflp.com and go to our software. And then you'll see learning tools and click on tutorials. Now there's 5 or 6 right now. We're constantly adding to those. And these are where you hear the instructions being given step by step and you're seeing it happen on the computer as you go. So those are extremely helpful. And then of course you can always listen to Peggy's Pearls, and I'll be giving you information about different features each month. So those are some ways that should really help you out. So play with your software, try the different things. You can't hurt your software, but learn how to use all the information that you've put in there and be able to help your business. You can also customize your software in many ways. Now go to the blue bar, the menu bar on the left hand side of the screen, and at the top there's one of the bars that's blank above calendar. It does have a little icon on the right hand side that has a hammer and some tools. You're going to click on that and that's going to take you to the setup and default screen. You may be thinking, well, I already put in all that, my name and address, phone number, but occasionally things might change, such as your address, phone number, credit card, and you're going to need to go in there and change them there. But you're going to need to remember that when you change it in that setup screen, it's not going to change anything that's in any existing order. So if you've already started, for example, putting in a home show, then you're going to need to go into that specific home show and change your credit card, because it's only changing it in the setup is only going to change it for all your future entries. There's other things there in the setup and default screen though that you're going to want to know about, and it's going to help you in different parts of the software. There's a place that has, it's further down that page, you're going to see different categories. Now on that page we have customer categories, downline categories, and calendar categories. And you'll also see hostess reminders. You may not know what these are, but some of them you may recognize from being in different places in the software. But you can change them here. You can add categories, delete them, move them around. You can change them and to be what you want them to be. Let's say under customers, you have a way that you categorize your customers in a way that's not already on there. We already have a lot of defaults on there, such as prospect, future hostess, sample sale, mailing list, those sorts of things. So there are a lot of choices are there already of things you might need. But in case you need something different, you can just change that and add that in yourself. You can do that with the downline categories, because you may have special ways you recognize your downline and you want to put that information. You're basically able to create your own groups and lists here, aside from the ones that we have in there. Now on hostess reminders you can do the same thing. Everyone does something different and special for their hostesses. And so you're going to want to put in the things that you do for your hostess and when you do them. Some people might mail their invitations 14 days before the show. Some may mail them 7 days before the show. You put in what you do, and then a reminder will come up on the calendar of the day that you want to mail your invitations. You can change the days, the times. Play around with it, and you're going to see it can really help you out, and it's going to be great for your customer service and taking care of your hostesses. Well, that's it for today. So hopefully it's given you 2 more reasons to have it, love it.